Let's move on to another problem. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2 is to 3. Here we are going to use a formula called section formula. So in section formula it is x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So using this formula we will find the answer. Here it is the m1 and m2 is nothing but the ratio in which the line is divided. x1 y1 x2 y2 are the coordinates of the point. So here what we are going to find is the coordinates of the point which divides the which join the points in the ratio given. So here x1 y1 is minus 1 and 7, x2 y2 is 4 and minus 3, m1 m2 is 2 and 3. So now we are going to substitute in this formula and find the coordinates. So x is equal to m1 is 2, so 2 into x2 is 4 plus m2 is 3, x1 is minus 1 divided by 2 plus 3. Y is equal to m1 is 2, y2 is minus 3 plus m2 is 3 and y1 is 7 divided by 2 plus 3. So it is x is equal to 8, 2 4s are 8 minus 3 divided by 5, which is equal to 5 by 5. So when I cancel I am getting 1. Here y is equal to minus 6 plus 21 divided by 5, which is equal to 15 by 5. When I cancel I am getting 3. So 1 comma 3 is the coordinate which divides the join 1 minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3. Let's do another problem. If 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram, now we are going to find x and y. Here the diagonals of the parallelogram intersect each other. That means the midpoint of AC and BD will be same. So we are going to use the midpoint formula. So midpoint formula is nothing but x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2 will give me the x and y, the midpoint. So we are going to use this formula to find the x and y value. So which states that the midpoint of AC and BD should be equal. So the midpoint of AC is 1 plus x divided by 2 comma 2 plus 6 divided by 2. This is equal to BD midpoint. So 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 divided by 2 comma y plus 5 divided by 2. So here I can equate the x values and y values. So 1 plus x divided by 2 should be equal to this x value. 4 plus 3 is 7, so 7 by 2. When I cancel this 2 and this 2, I am getting x is equal to 7 minus 1. So x is equal to 6. Here I can equate this y value. So 2 plus 6 is 8 by 2, which is equal to y plus 5 divided by 2. So this 2 gets cancelled. So y is equal to, when I bring that 5 to that side, 8 minus 5. So y is equal to 3. So 6 comma 3 is the x and y values. Let's do another problem. Find the point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. So we are going to find A. We know that AB is the diameter and C is the center. So by using the midpoint formula we can find the coordinates of A. So let's consider A as x comma y. So we know that by using C, the center of the circle is nothing but the midpoint of the diameter AB. So let's use the midpoint formula which states x plus 1 divided by 2 comma y plus 4 divided by 2 should be equal to the center 2 comma minus 3. Now I am going to equate x values and y values. So x plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 2. When I cross multiply, x plus 1 is equal to 4, which implies x is equal to 4 minus 1, which implies x is equal to 3. Now when I equate y values, y plus 4 is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. So when I cross multiply, y plus 4 is equal to minus 6. So y is equal to minus 6 minus 4, which implies y is equal to minus 10. So therefore the coordinates of A is nothing but 3 comma minus 10. Next, let's do another problem. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 2 comma 3, minus 1 comma 0, 2 comma minus 4. Here we are going to use the triangle area of triangle formula. So we can find the area of triangle by using the formula half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So by using this formula we can find the area of the triangle. So here we know that x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. We are going to substitute it here. So area is equal to half into so 2 into 0 plus 4 minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 0. So when we solve this, half into, so 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. So minus 7 into minus 1 is plus 7. 3 minus 0 is 3, so 2 into 3 is 6. So which is equal to half into 8 plus 7 plus 6 is 21, which is equal to 21 by 2. So therefore area of the triangle is equal to 21 by 2 square units. Now let's do another problem. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. So it is given that these points are collinear. If the points are collinear, we know that the area of the triangle should be equal to 0. So if I apply the area of triangle formula to these points, the answer should be 0. With that, I can find the value of k. Okay, so the formula is nothing but half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the formula. Let us substitute it here. So it is half into 8 into minus 4 minus 5 plus k into minus 5 minus 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 4 should be equal to 0. So when this half goes that side, it becomes 0. So we are left out with 8 into 1 plus k into minus 6 plus 2 into 5 equal to 0. So it is 8 minus 6k plus 10 equal to 0. 8 plus 10 is 18. So minus 6k is equal to, when this 18 goes that side, it becomes minus 18. So minus gets cancelled. 6k is equal to 18. K is equal to 18 by 6. So when I cancel, I am getting k is equal to 3.